Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you on how to make ripe peppered plantain chips. First, I rinsed my ripe plantain properly and removed the peels. After that, I sliced it into thin chips. Next, I added my pepper and spices and mixed everything together very well. Then I allowed it to rest for a bit so the spices could stick. After that, I placed my pan on the fire, added oil, and allowed it to heat up. I fried the plantain until it turned golden brown and crispy. And that's it. My ripe peppered plantain chips are ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye. Bye.